Okay, here we go with study guide page 3 for unit 5. Alex makes $5.50 per hour handing out flyers. If Alex works 8 hours this week, write an expression for how much money Alex made this week. So H is going to be the hours worked this week. And Alex made $5.50 every hour that he worked. I'm going to drop that 0 after the 50 because we know that 5.5 is the same as 5.50. And we multiply the 5.5 times H, and we'll know how much Alex worked. When we know the number of hours, we can figure out how much he worked. Games R Us, I'm sorry, how much he made. Games R Us sold $125 worth of games last hour. If each game cost D dollars, write an expression for the number of games sold last hour. So the games cost D dollars. So D is the amount each game costs. In order to figure out how many they have sold, we're going to take 125 and divide it by the number, how much each game costs, and that will give us the number of games that were sold. All right, we're going to determine whether the value of the variable is a solution, right? Yes or no. So we're going to take 12 and multiply it by 12 to see if it equals 144, and it does. So we'll write yes here. 12 times 12 is 144. We're going to try y for 14 in this equation and see if it equals 142. We'll add 128 to 14. And if we get our calculator here, add 128 plus 14, or do that by hand, either way, we see that it's 142, so this one works. Now we're going to substitute 7 in for z. 7 divided by 2 equals 15. Well, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, so it does not equal 15. All right, next one. Is y equals 13 the solution to the following equation? Show your work. So we're going to take our y and 13 and substitute it in here. So say 13 minus 10 equals 23. Well, 13 minus 10 is 3. That does not equal 23. So that is not a solution. Explain why I made my decision. 13 minus 10 equals 3, not 23. All right, is g equal to 12 the solution for the following equation? Show your work. So we're going to substitute 12 in for our g. So 3 times 12 plus 5, does that equal 41? 3 times 12 is 36, add 5, does that equal 41? And sure enough it does, those are equal. So yes, explain why I made my decision. 3 times 12 equals 36. 36 plus 5 equals 41. Whoops, let's make that equals instead of equal sign. Equals 41. So that's why I made my decision. All right, that's page 3. Tune into the next video for page 4.